People are going to misunderstand. And then you work and try to recreate it. See, you create some kind of foundation, something, and you understand to some degree, and then you work on expanding that, creating that. See, say we're doing the effortless push, right? Which I'm sure you've mastered by now, right? Because you had time to work on it. So we're doing the effortless push, and we're starting to create some kind of foundation, right? See, you're doing something in that area, and you're doing something in that area which is closer to what I want than you were doing the first day, right? I hope. Okay, you know what I'm saying? See, okay, good. Now we've moved a step. See, we're good. Now and then we'll move again. Talk about facilitation and everything. See? And then we'll do it again, and we refine. See? Like once you have something going, then it can be corrected. You see, and criticized. See, but now you've got something to work with. We've got something to work with. Remember the first phrase in the old website? It's like if you name something, if you give a name to something, the people cling to the name. See, and misunderstand. If you don't give a name to something, they float around in empty space. So, damned if you do, damned if you don't, basically. See? So what you do is you give a name to something and then rip it off. You see? And then give another name to it and rip it off. See? And you keep doing that until they start to understand what it is you're talking about. Yeah, that one?
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Rawlinson for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.